My vintage Kenwood mixer is so fantastic. I wanted to share with you because I got it on eBay. They're so reasonably priced compared to modern, expensive, well-known appliances. I'm just grinding some rye here. I'm going to make some rye bread. You might have seen the video, how to make rye dill pickle. So here's the Kenwood in action. First off, everything is really high quality and robust. This is what's called the K beater, and it's what you'd use to mix a cake. I'm using it in the initial stage to mix up the dough. It's best to mix the dough before using the dough hook. The dough hook is for kneading. Just checking it here, and that's a lovely texture, just right. So I'm going to swap out the K beater and pop in the dough hook, and it just clicks into place, and put it onto 2. This takes less than 2 minutes to knead a fabulous dough. It would take me 10 minutes or more by hand. It kind of beats it around the side of the bowl, and that's like a kneading action. But just look at the quality of the bread. I hope you enjoy.